Hi there, today I am going to be using my Shop My Stash stuff that I chose yesterday, and so I'm going to put it on my face and try it out today. So the first thing I'm going to use is my L'Oreal Brow Pomade, and this one comes with a little brush, and I've used this a couple of times and I actually quite like this little brush. It seems to work alright. It looks like this. So when I was looking at the colours for this brow pomade, the blonde one was way too light. The brunette one that looked darker looked too red, so I ended up with this one, which is more of a grey based red, so I thought it might be okay. It's quite, as you can see, it's quite crumbly on my hand. It's not a really smooth kind of texture, but I'll work it into the brush on my hand and it smooths down. So I'm not sure if that's what it's supposed to be like or whether it's a bit dry. I'm not actually sure. But it's a good colour for my eyebrows. Doesn't go too red. So there's what that looks like. It's reasonably easy to use. I just used the spoolie at the end of my pencil because that's the only spoolie I actually have for that. And I could go in with my pencil if I wanted to, but what I'll probably do is when I've finished the rest of my face, I'll go in with my L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper. And the other thing I want to try out that I shopped my stash for was this Wet n Wild Hello Halo highlighter. This one's in Gilded Glow. It comes on a little doe foot applicator. Well, it's not very little, it's actually quite big. I'm just going to wipe the brow stuff off my hand before I get brown everywhere. And I think I might put this on my finger and stick it on. And then I might go in with my clean sponge. I'm going to do it on the tops of my cheeks. So it gives definitely a glow. I don't think it looks too glittery. Sometimes it's hard to tell unless you're in the sun whether it's really glittery, because sometimes I think something's not glittery and then I'll go outside and my daughter will say, your face is really glittery. But the sun's not shining today, it's raining, so I can't test that out today. Looks quite nice. So I think I'll go in with my bronzer. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild bronzer in Ticket to Brazil today. Will I do that? So I'm going to do my contour and my bronzer, and then I'll come back and do my blush. So I've done my bronzer in my contour, and I've just used my, what's it called, my Models Prefer Contour Collection. So I used this one for my contour and I used this one for my bronzer. And now I'm going to go in with my blush. So I'm using the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush in Peach Addict. Now I was worried this might be a bit too light, but we'll see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like on the brush. It is showing up on the cheeks, so it's not too light. I'm going for quite a bronzy, blushy kind of look today, so I'm going to stick it on my nose as well. Very sun-kissed kind of look. It's funny how putting the bronzer, the blusher on your nose just makes you look like you've been out in the sun. And that highlighter has dried down, so the blush and the bronzer and that didn't stick to it. I didn't powder it, so that's good. It's all dried nicely and things are going on top of it okay. And the other thing that I got for the Shop My Stash was my lipstick. So I'm going to do, I'll do the rest of my face and then I'll come back and do my lipstick and show you what it looks like. So I'm ready to do my lipstick now, and I'm going to use my Elizabeth Arden Plump Up Lip Liner in Kiss of Coral first. And if you're wondering how I did this eye look, I used my Peaches 2 palette, and I'll have that up later on. Not sure exactly when it's going up, but I did a 1 palette, 5 looks, 1 week, 1 palette video, so that's in that. And now I'm going to use my, what is this, the Clarins Mandarine Mandarin lipstick that I Shop My Stash for. This was the one I said that was starting to smell a bit crayony, so I wanted to see if it was still alright. I really like the colour of this one because it goes really well with this orange that I enjoy wearing, but I can definitely smell it being crayony, so I think it's gone off. I may have to take it to the store with me and find another orange similar to this, because I think this is the only orange like this that I have. So there is my look using my Shop My Stash products. So far so good. I am pretty happy with the way they all turned out. Got a nice glow going on. That's got highlighter on top of that highlighter though. And yep, everything turned out well. And so I'll keep using those over the month, and then I'll keep you posted on what I think of them at the end of the month. Bye everyone, have a good day.